Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric Dufault with Keller Williams, Cape Cod and the Islands, and today I am talking location, location, location. Huge real estate cliche, but it's always tried and true. I'm going to tell you exactly why right now. When it comes to owning a home, when you're shopping for a home, you got the perfect house or the perfect location. I'm always going to push my buyers towards the perfect location. I'm going to tell you why. You can't switch a number of things once you purchase the home. You can't change your neighbors. You can't change the neighborhood that it's located in, and you can't change the zip code. So however your neighbors keep the house, however the neighborhood, whatever the price point at is, you can't change that. You can't change the zip code. If it's in a more expensive zip code or a less expensive zip code, you can't really change that. But if you find a home that still needs some work, it may not be the ideal home. You can still do work to it. You can work on the yard. You can replace the kitchen. You can replace the bathrooms. You can do additions. Maybe not right away, but as you progress in your career and as you start to make more money, those options will open up down the road. But if you get a less expensive house in a more expensive neighborhood, you have a better chance at keeping that value and appreciating it at a better level, as opposed to when you have the nicest house in the less expensive neighborhood. You're only going to be able to keep up with how well your neighbors do and how their homes do. So location, location, location. That's a quick breakdown of what it means and why people always push towards that. But when it comes to the perfect house versus the perfect location, I'm always going to push my clients towards perfect location. Hope you guys found that useful, and I hope you're enjoying your day. I'll talk to you soon. We'll see you.